everybody and welcome back to my channel. So this is the design for this week's video. I am just going in here with my base coat, which I cure for 30 seconds, and then I go in with my Miss You Beauty strengthener, which I cure for 30 seconds, and then I go in with this is Brown Eyed Girl, and it's one of Miss You Beauty's brush up builder gel. And I absolutely love it. I think it's just perfect for this time of year. Lovely, lovely autumn colours. So I just put down my first layer, which I cure for 60 seconds in my LED lamp, and then I go in with my second layer. How gorgeous is this colour? And then I apply a Miss You Beauty top coat to this, which I cure for 60 seconds. So with Holly Girl 02 and a very fine detail brush, I just put some dots on this gel, brush up builder gel, while it's actually still wet, so that the colour disperses really quite nicely. Look at that, how cute is that? Which then I cure, and then I apply top coat and cure for 60 seconds. So then on my middle finger I go in with some stamping nail art, layered stamping nail art. I just create some leaves. I just use golds and brown and green and stuff like that, and black, and just create a couple of autumn leaves, and I think they're really cute. I just use normal nail polish with these, and yeah, and then I apply top coat and cure it for 60 seconds. So then I use diamond glitter in the shade Citrine. I'm going with the brown and gold theme with this design here. I really like it. So with my gel number 6 brush, I just apply that at the cuticle area and just fade it down in my favourite ombre style. And then I cure that for 30 seconds, and then I apply top coat and cure that for 60 seconds. And then on my little finger, again, I went in with some stamping nail art. So start off, I apply some trees here, and then I go in with different colours, greens and gold and all sorts of colours like that, just to create some leaves. And then I apply some top coat and cure that for 60 seconds. And then my nails are complete. So thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, as always, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.